Hey everybody, it's Neil and welcome to my camper, and today I have this thing here. It's the future of fire safety is inside. It's a Ting, and it's some sort of smart device that, that's what it looks like there. It's some sort of smart device that is going to tell me that if there's a fire in my house or in my camper or wherever I put it. Let's see, how do I open this thing? Okay, we're gonna check this thing out and see what it looks like inside. So this is it, Ting Smart, small, smart, sophisticated. Be curious what this thing is. And that's it. It has a little app that I can install from the Apple Store. And then it comes with that. And I guess here's some instructions for it. So first step is going to be to download the app. I'm going to move all this stuff here because I'm going to use my iPad and download this app. Okay, I think I've got it now. So let's see. So we're going to try it here with my iPad, and we will open it up. Where's my camera? So let's see. Camera. I don't even know where it is on an iPad. Where's the camera? Okay, so open it from the App Store. Oh. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna get the app. So we're gonna install the Ting sensor, and it says install. My password. Boy, I don't even know my password. Okay, done. Okay, so now it's installing. So let's see what the sensor looks like. So this is it here. It looks like it just plugs into a 3-prong plug, and then there's a little button on the side of it. And it looks like that's about the extent of it. I have a plug up here in my camper on the other side. So let's see here. It's installing. It's halfway installing. My internet here is ridiculously slow, so that's why it's gonna take a few minutes. But let's see what it says to do. It says select an outlet, and it works best in an empty outlet in a less often area used home with the fewest electronic devices nearby. Do I have? I don't think there's an outlet under my bed. I think I gotta use the one up here. Man. Let's see. I'll show you guys where I'm putting this here in a second. Oof, I got it up there. Okay, so I put it right up there. You can kind of see behind my TV. There's a little, barely have any space. So at least it's very small. Okay, at least it's fairly small. So let's see. Okay, so we are there. Let's open this up, and let's see. So it says select an outlet, location, status is, I have no idea what color it's blinking, but it would like to use Bluetooth, so we're going to say okay. It says it wants me to create an account, so I'm going to do that here now. Oop. Might help if I spelled my name right. Neil. It wants my phone number. And then it wants a password. Let's see. Okay, now I come to the end user agreement. Confirm account. Okay, so I guess it says we've emailed your confirmation code. So let's see, do I have email on this iPad? I do. Let's see if it emailed me my confirmation code. Okay, my code 440618. 440618. Confirm account. Okay, so now it says allow. While using this, your smartphone must remain within 6 feet of Ting. I don't know, can you guys see this here? And then click next. So we'll click next. It says plug in your Ting sensor, and now it's searching for my Ting sensor. Hopefully it finds it. Hopefully that outlet works. Oh, checking Ting sensor. I'm guessing it found it. It got a little Bluetooth thing there. Connecting Ting sensor. Searching for Wi-Fi. We're getting there. It's probably going to ask for my Wi-Fi password. We'll see. Finished. Oh, maybe not. Here we go. Okay, so where do we at? So the name is Rappaport Residence. Sure, it's got the location. Okay, now it wants my Wi-Fi. So my Wi-Fi is, I guess I'm going to go to Gizmo. And then I put in my Wi-Fi password. Now it's configuring my Ting sensor. This is interesting. I don't even know what this thing is going to do. I guess it's some sort of fire monitor. I'll install anything, apparently. Connecting to Ting network. I have all sorts of things set up here. I have my air things up there. So this will be right near my air things. So whatever it is, it's going to check there. So setup complete. So let's see. So now what it says when it says download the app, safety. Okay, so step 2, create an account. Relax, sit back and enjoy. And now it will take care of alerting me of potential fire hazards. So I guess that's it. So continue. So it's in learning mode. So we have to allow it to send me notifications. And then there we go. So here, now it's got my voltages. So it's tracking the voltage in my house, in my camper. So it's 122 volts right now. And it's in learning mode. So real time. This is what the real time power is. And then here's some news, I guess information about it. Notifications. Home. Well, we'll see how it goes. So there we go. Now my house is monitored. It looks like a big old house for this little camper that's like 80 square feet. So pretty funny. But okay, so this is cool. So, I mean, I don't even know if I can put a link to this thing in my description. If there is one, I will. I don't even know where it came from. I think it was from my insurance company. So, okay. Thanks, everyone. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other interesting things.